Elevate your camping experience with a sturdy and comfortable folding cot designed for restful sleep under the stars. Built with durable steel or aluminum frames, these cots provide excellent support while keeping you off the cold, uneven ground. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best folding camping cots you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which outdoor recreation topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Marchway lightweight folding tent camping cot is designed for rugged outdoor adventures and convenient indoor use. Built with a high-strength aircraft-grade aluminum frame, this portable foldable cot supports up to 330 pounds without compromising stability. The tear-resistant nylon fabric provides durability, while wide plastic brackets and 8 anti-skid feet ensure a firm grip on various terrains, preventing unwanted movement even on uneven ground. Setting up and packing down the cot is effortless, thanks to its innovative lever lock mechanism and connecting rods with an internal bungee cord. With just a simple press on the rod, the cot assembles in minutes, saving time and effort. Weighing only 6.5 pounds, it folds down to a compact 17 by 7 by 6 inches, making it easy to carry in its storage bag or pack in a suitcase. This makes it an excellent choice for car campers, motorcyclists, trekkers, and outdoor adventurers. Designed for superior comfort, its optimal length and width provide full support for shoulders, back, and legs. Built for rugged outdoor comfort, the Timber Ridge Fir Magnum Deluxe cot delivers reliable support wherever adventure takes you. Designed to handle up to 600 pounds, this cot offers a spacious 74.41 by 25.59-inch sleeping area with a durable polyester surface for a restful night under the stars. Its patented leg system ensures even weight distribution, enhancing stability for a secure and peaceful sleep. Designed for efficiency, this cot assembles in under a minute with no hassle, making it perfect for campers who value convenience. When it's time to pack up, it folds neatly into a compact size and fits into the included carry bag for easy transport and storage. A built-in side pocket provides a secure spot for small essentials, keeping your items within reach while you rest. Whether you're deep in the wilderness or setting up camp at a festival, the Timber Ridge Fir Magnum Deluxe cot ensures comfort and reliability. Its imported high-quality materials promise durability, while its rectangular shape offers a natural sleeping position. Built for durability and comfort, the Naturehike GreenWild camping cot features an aircraft-grade 7075 aluminum alloy frame that is 67% stronger and 75% lighter than standard cot frames. 5 heavy-duty legs provide exceptional stability, keeping the cot firm and preventing sinking under weight, supporting up to 330 pounds with ease. Designed for lightweight travel, this camping cot weighs only 4.8 pounds and folds down to a compact 18 by 6.3 inches. It easily fits into the included carry bag, making it simple to strap onto a backpack or store in a car, truck, or RV. Whether hiking deep into the wilderness or setting up camp near your vehicle, this ultralight cot ensures easy portability without adding unnecessary bulk. The 300D Oxford fabric cot sheet is breathable, tear-resistant, and moisture-blocking, keeping you warm by reducing heat loss and preventing contact with cold, uneven ground. Its anti-static properties resist dust buildup, ensuring a cleaner sleeping surface. The Mojest camping cot offers a firm and supportive sleeping surface designed for quiet, uninterrupted rest. Crafted with durable Oxford fabric, it resists sagging and features an integrated pillow pocket for enhanced comfort. Elevated 7 inches off the ground, it keeps you dry, warm, and away from uneven terrain, ensuring a restful sleep in any outdoor environment. Setting up this cot takes mere seconds with the innovative lever structure handle. Simply insert the 2 long support rods and press down to lock the legs securely in place. No complicated assembly, just a quick and reliable setup. Built from aerospace-grade 7075 aluminum alloy, this cot holds up to 330 pounds with ease. Its dual-tube frame and mesh joint design provide exceptional durability while maintaining a lightweight build. Weighing just 5.3 pounds, it folds down to a compact 17.3 by 6.7 by 6.7 inches, making it ideal for backpacking, hiking, and camping. Designed for those who value both convenience and comfort, the Timber Ridge SilverBell cot delivers effortless setup and superior relaxation. Weighing just 22.93 pounds, this modern rectangular cot unfolds and folds in just 2 seconds, making it a reliable companion for camping trips or an extra sleeping solution at home. The multi-adjustable ratchet backrest lets you customize your reclining angle, ensuring the perfect position for rest or lounging. Built to last, the powder-coated steel frame and 6000D small check poly ripstop fabric offers exceptional durability, standing up to frequent use. Despite its lightweight design, this cot supports up to 300 pounds, providing a strong and stable sleeping platform. Its compact folding mechanism allows for easy storage and transport, whether tucked away in a closet or packed into a vehicle. With its quick setup, sturdy construction, and customizable comfort, Timber Ridge SilverBell cot is an excellent choice for outdoor adventurers and home users alike. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.